couple of these?
Love to.
PowerPoint. We always get asked why there's no PowerPoints. They just knock it out and the Sparkies cut it out later. It's flush with the timber. You'll have one on the bottom there too.
Yep.
You got 2 down here, 3, 4.
Sparkies know where they all are.
Yeah, there's 4 on the bottom of that wall.
Yep.
2, another 2 here. There's plenty. They just can't see it.
Max, you can show the people that the house runs on a generator. So every house in Australia runs off them.
Yep.
We have one in every room.
We're changing the back pole.
That's why our fuel prices are through the roof. Always leave the garage to last. Has the most work. Paper change.
The angles of the house are...
Oh no, it's not actually really good. It's only just a 20. And it's just under 1,000 square meters, so...
around the stairs, that's the thing.
Yeah, there's nothing upstairs, that's why.
Watch the corner something. You got mud?
Yeah.
We don't square set these, do we, Andre?
Sorry? No.
Good.
Yeah.
Normally with these length joints, once you change the paper into a new roll, paper tends to lift up inside the box because this is a lot heavier. You normally only get one done. Whereas normally once it gets down to about half a roll, it stays down. I can, get 2 done without having to push it down and reset her. Alright, so last one and then you're off, I think. And that ceiling's downstairs done.
Do you fill your joints with the box as well?
No.
Do it by hand or you just run second coat on them?
Yeah, just do it by hand.
Oh, by hand, yeah.
I don't do a lot of meters, so.
Yeah, that's true. That won't dirty.
Oh, sometimes, yeah, garage I'll pull it out just for fun, just to try to get some practice.
Honestly, it's quicker. Once you get used to it, it's actually quicker.
It's very quick to work out.
Yeah, yeah, especially if you don't use a pump.
Yeah. And it's satisfying.
Yeah. Just consistent.
Yeah, it's just a lot less work to do, like.
Also, it's easier to learn running the boxes than it is hand, like setting, hand finishing.
Yeah.
So it's like someone who has learned how to run this, you learn how to run this a lot quicker than being able to do the equivalent, you know, especially at speed.
Yeah.
That's why a lot of people, like in America, always complain, you know, some people just know how to run boxes.
Yeah, if you guys had to push joints, we would have boxes. You guys would have the sorest arms, you know, you'd have injuries.
It's actually not hard, it's all about like technique, not, you're not muscling anything, like it all works for you, you just need to know how to use it.
Yeah.
And don't make the mud too thick, don't make it too runny.
Yeah.
Make it too runny, it's just going to make a mess. Make it too thick and then it is hard to push. Yeah.
Lost in translation.
Lost in the cupboard. Maxkil, get out of the closet.
Are you gonna move all that, DJ? What?
I see them moving on to the window.
Windows is where it's at, bro. Well, Anthony, with this one, just press it to where you can. Alright. I don't feel like getting up there. Yeah, you gonna come drop it off? Come drop the kids off. I'm telling you, Max, these shirts are making me go faster. You're gonna have to bring one every day.
I'm just going to speed it up. From 100 to 111. So when you're talking to me, talk slow. So once it's sped up. Nah, that's a joke.
I feel like these shirts are aerodynamic.
Oh, they are, especially indoors.
Yeah. Wait till my missus sees me in one.
Oh.
She's gonna be like, whoa, dress down, please. She's like, are we going to dinner?
And that's a good golfing hat too.
It is.
For them sunny days.
So's the shirt, though. Fucking, I'll see you coming.
They'll know where I'm yelling fall from.
Yeah.
We started getting a lot of our random videos deleted on our Instagram, did you notice?
No?
Hey, you guys are getting this one?
Yeah, just a couple.
We
old
breached
ones.
guidelines of being too good.
Nah, I think it was the copyright music.
Really?
One of them was from the radio, but the other one was the GoPro music.
What, on Instagram?
Yeah.
Oh, really?
Yeah, 2 or 3 of them. Yeah. Old ones, but
Still, they might have gone back over them.
I don't know how the GoPro ones would have made a problem.
Yeah, go for it.
Wait, Andre, you right
The
there?
one that provides it. What?
Can you help me? Much appreciated.
Zero.
Don't think so. question asked though.
Maxkil and I get a close up of this.
Love to.
PowerPoint. We always get asked why there's no PowerPoints. They just knock it out and the Sparkies cut it out later. It's flush with the timber. You'll have one on the bottom there too.
Yep.
You got 2 down here, 3, 4.
Sparkies know where they all are.
Yeah, there's 4 on the bottom of that wall.
Yeah.
2, another 2 here. There's plenty. They just can't see it.
Max, you can show the people that the house runs on a generator. So every house in Australia runs off them.
Yep.
We have one in every room.
We're changing the back pole.
That's why our fuel prices are through the roof.
Yeah, and there's plates in behind here, and the electrician just cuts a hole.
Very easy.
I get that question a lot.
Yeah, I know. I see it all the time.
I saw a post on Instagram the other day, and it showed like all these outlets being cut out, and the taper had to go around and like go all around
every
it.
single one.
Anyway, so much better this way.
Yeah, they always like rotozip them, like router them out, the cheaters.
Before the setters.
Yeah.
Like they should wait, know where they are, mark them out or something.
But if they aren't, because it's flush, so it bulges out the joint.
Our sander won't
No,
sand if they're cut out.
Yeah,
You'll ask for more money.
yeah.
Like, you'll not be cutting them out before the sanding's done.
Yeah, because we're rolling the sanding pad, eh?
Yep.
Oh, we're making these look good.
Yeah, that's why you run it with the box. Looks nicer.
Yeah, they do.